Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold a rectangular box. I've also seen this called a multi-box. It does show both sides of the paper. For this I'm just using a 6-inch sheet of kami, which is white on one side. And we are going to start with the colored side down. Next we're going to valley fold in half along the vertical line here. So I'm going to bring this right edge over to lie along the left edge. Just make sure that lines up from corner to corner and then crease. And then unfold. Next we're going to bring both of these edges in to lie along that center crease. So I'll start on the right here. I'm going to bring this edge into the center. I'll do the same on the left side here. Swing that into the center, and then crease it all the way across. Next, we're going to bring these edges back out a little bit. And this step is done to taste. What it's going to be doing is making this color change right here. So you can do it any amount that you'd like. I'm going to make one that's about the same as this. So I'm going to take this edge and make a vertical valley fold. Again, it's done to taste, so I'm going to do it about right here. Yours doesn't have to be exactly like this, but you'll start folding it. The important part is to try to keep it vertical. So try to fold it all the way across, keeping it as even as possible. Then we'll do the same thing on this side. And there's no reference point, but we'll try to make it similar to the right side. Kind of look at the other side, try to make it look like that. And try to keep it even all the way across, like this. Now we can unfold both of those. Next we're going to bring this top right edge. We're going to fold it in to lie along this crease that we just made there. I'll fold it down, make sure it lies right along that crease, just like that. Then we're going to do the same thing with the other three corners. Make it lie right along that crease. Same thing on this left side. There we have it. You can see it again. Next we're going to reform these valley folds. So you're going to fold it right over those corners that you just brought in like this. Just refold on the existing crease lines that we have. Next, we're going to form a valley fold that runs along these edges here. So it's going to start along this edge, and it's going to continue across here and then fold along this edge as well. So it's pretty easy when you start it, just fold right along those edges and they should connect very easily, like this. Then we'll unfold that. We'll do the same thing on the bottom side here. Just a valley fold that connects both those edges. Next, we're going to open both of these flaps out, making it three-dimensional. So bring these flaps out, and then these creases we just made, those valley folds will start to form. And then where the creases are right here, we're going to have to reverse them into mountain folds. So you can pick the model up and then just pinch them going the other direction to reverse those creases on all four corners. And once you've done that, you're all done. It should look like this. Now, if you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for future tutorials, and we'll see you next time.